So no show is complete on Cup of Joe without a sweet ending. And for that, we thank the folks at Creamery Novelties Ice Cream for making it possible. And I also want to thank Tyrone Benjamin. He's here to make a creamy cocktail.
Joe, Merry Christmas.
Hey, Merry Christmas, you know.
Compliments of the season.
The season is here.
Yeah, I'm bad this morning.
Yeah, boy.
I'm Haman.
I saw Haman pop for any back.
All right.
I saw Haman pop for any back. I was honoring the pig this morning.
Right.
You know, he's a Haman.
You don't have an alternative by chance, like, you know, I am on.
You do the Haman pig?
Yeah.
You do the pig?
To be honest, when Christmas time comes,
Right.
I'll taste a little ham, because that is tradition.
Right.
Mom used to be cutting up the ham and she
And you
used to
just
fry
taste?
it up and thing. I'll take a little taste.
Serious?
Yeah, but generally,
You
I
had a happy life though?
Yeah, of course, I had a happy
And
life.
you didn't eat ham or
Yeah.
no? All right, okay.
Happy life.
Make the cocktail time.
Right.
I just can't understand it though, but I mean, yeah, respect.
I could understand.
You would understand it?
Yeah.
Right.
Working in the restaurant industry, you see everybody eating
Eating
everything. So I tolerate it. You know what I mean?
Cool. We're doing this morning though.
Okay, so we working with Creamery,
Right.
And actually have some PONCHE creme here.
PONCHE creme.
Yeah.
So you drink PONCHE creme?
Yeah, it's drink
Okay,
PONCHE
yeah.
creme. What do you mean?
Don't eat ham, but you drink PONCHE
Yeah,
creme.
it's drink PONCHE. I
Thank
make
God.
PONCHE creme. I share PONCHE creme.
You make a PONCHE creme? Do you know what PONCHE creme from me, Ty?
You make different PONCHE creme. Who make this one?
Nah, I'm Merla.
Merla make this?
Yeah, I swear by Merla to PONCHE creme.
Alright.
If you can compete there?
I don't know.
Yeah, alright, cool.
Alright, but let me start it, right? So we're
Right.
using the base, because we're adding some rum to this.
Right.
And I actually add in 2 ounces.
So everything going straight in the blender.
Yeah, everything, there's a blended drink. Once you're using ice cream and milky stuff,
Right.
yeah, it's always recommend that you blend, right? You know me, a blender is not my favorite tool in the bar,
Yeah.
but we work with it, all right? And to give it a nice little orange flavor, and we keep it with some spirits, add in some triple sec, and this is COCO, all right? So 2 ounces, but 1 ounce each per drink, right? So we start there with the base spirit. It's Christmas, we have to be in high spirits,
We
right?
gotta be high. We gotta be in high spirits.
And again, this little PONCHE creme I shake.
Yeah. That's the best PONCHE creme. I can
Yeah,
swear by that.
yeah.
Yeah.
I ain't doubting it.
Yeah.
I ain't doubting it. So let me go with 2 ounces each. Actually, 3 ounces. Yeah, 3
You know, that
ounces.
PONCHE creme already had liquor in it. And
Yeah.
You put more liquor there.
Right.
This is a strong drink. This is not for
This
the
is
faint-hearted.
not for the faint-hearted.
No.
You understand?
This is Christmas morning. You eat your rock bar and time to drink.
Time to drink?
Yeah, time to drink. Yeah. This is
After
serious drink.
your fry bacon and ham, you know what I mean? We dealing with this.
dealing with
We
this.
dealing with this, right? So next step is the ice cream. Joe, we dealing with coconut, right? Just rest this here. And coconut is one of my favorite ice cream flavors, right? Creamery actually did a really good job on this. I'll go with 3 scoops. And you know what's go good with coconut? Peanut.
Also, you're mixing ice cream
Yeah,
flavors
yeah,
here.
yeah,
So you
yeah,
do
yeah,
the peanut and the coconut.
Yeah.
And with PONCHE creme, that would really, those flavors, nutty, nice. I seen where you're going.
So I would always call these type of cocktails dessert style cocktails.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm going with 3 scoops as well.
Yeah, because this went, so after you eat your ham, lamb, and cham, and then you start to drink this on Christmas morning, it's a knockout and sleep till Boxing Day.
No, you're taking a nap. You're taking
You
a
take a
nap.
nap, oh, and you get back up.
Yeah.
You
Pace yourself,
pace
for
yourself.
Christmas is pacing. You gotta pace yourself. But you gotta be smart. You
Right,
can't just
yeah.
drink. Yeah, because you ain't go last.
last the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ain't go last the day. Alright, so we putting some ice to this. So this is almost like a milkshake as well. Because with a milkshake, you're actually using milk, ice cream, right, and whatever fruits and flavors and stuff, right? But you don't necessarily have to have alcohol.
This big boy and big girls milkshake here.
Yeah. So Joe, we have everything inside here, and the next thing to do is just blend all these ingredients. right, so everything nice and blended. I was saying just for precaution, I just like to leave my hand on top of the blender lid just in case. You
Right.
never know what kind of
Right.
accidents this happen,
Could
right?
happen, yeah.
Right. So we're ready to pour this. Nice. Joe, so simple garnish for this. Some fresh nutmeg over it, which will actually complement the nutmeg that is traditionally in PONCHE creme. Right.
This
And
is
I actually
PONCHE creme going nuts here.
PONCHE creme going nuts. I like
Does
it.
anyone actually, or you had a name already?
I don't know. I didn't really have a particular name. I actually like using a little tonka bean spice.
Serious?
Yeah, tonka bean. So
we used to get these beans.
I have a spice lady in the
A spice
market. I
lady?
check she
Serious?
know, and then she full of spice, boy. She full of spice. Right?
Can I smell that tonka bean? You
Yes.
know, long I ain't smell
Yeah.
tonka bean, boy.
She tell me they don't actually use it much in drinks because she don't know of it used in
Right,
drinks.
right.
Because remember, mixology is something fairly new to, right? But they use it for sweetbreads, cakes, and a lot of pastries and stuff.
Excellent.
Yeah, baking
Excellent.
goods.
Excellent.
Right?
Lovely.
So, Joe.
We ready?
Yeah, brother. This for you.
Wait,
Compliments of the
I
season.
think thanks to Creamery Ice Cream, I think I'll have somebody flavors. I'll try this on Christmas morning, you know?
Yeah.
I'll try this on Christmas morning. Cheers, Ty.
Cheers, buddy.
Ty, thank you very much. I want to thank the folks at Creamery for making it possible. Sweet Endings brought to you by Creamery. Guys, Tyrone Benjamin, you can now see him on CopperJoeCaribbean.com hosting his own show called Bar Buddies, mixing all these fantastic cocktails, guys.
Yes.
Tyrone is master mixologist extraordinaire. I want to thank you very much. And for all the recipes on this show, check out CopperJoeCaribbean.com. All right, we'll see you back here. Christmas is nigh. I have more recipes to roll out.
And we in high spirits.
Cheers.
All the best, guys.